Hey, good morning. Looks like it's going to be another beautiful Sunday here in Boomer Soonerland. So I'm out here piddle farting at 7:30 in the morning on the truck, cleaning up the workbench, yakety schmackety, right? And I want to show you something I just got done doing on this truck here. Let me show you. See that red thing poking out the grill right there? This is that SAE 2-pin battery tender junior mod that I did. And what this is a wire that goes directly to the battery. There's a little 7.5 amp fuse right here, and it's got it connected to the positive and negative of the battery, right? So you're asking, well, why are you doing that? Well, those battery tender junior maintainer chargers are really, really good. So I got it plugged in here, and you take it, the end here, and you just plug it in here so you can maintain, keep your battery topped off right there, right? So this morning what I did, long story short, was I wanted some protection behind the grill right here. So I had this little cover deal laying around, but it was cut off, so I just put a little bit of adhesive heat shrink, red, so I can see it on there. And also took off that hose clamp and put a couple of tie straps on here. So when you're not using it, you just tuck it away back there. Like this, I'll show you. Like that. And it's ready to go. And it's protected too. The battery, this Interstate Batteries deep, it's not a deep cycle, it's a starter AGM battery. I got September of last year, and it has been a phenomenal battery. Interstate Batteries, it's an H7 size, and it's one size higher capacity versus stock. And this thing has been absolutely flawless. Let me see if I can get this cover off and show you. I really hate these connections here. I don't know what GM was thinking. They're on drugs with all this mumbo jumbo crap on here, but I managed to get this one right here. Goes back to the bed of the truck for that 12-volt power socket. And this right here is your battery tender junior with a 7-point amp fuse right there. So there you have it. Keep your battery electrical system really, really in good shape for the winter. All right, guys, have a good Sunday. See ya.